Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to explore how to manipulate strings using methods. First, we should know that strings are immutable. We can't change them once we have created them. We know that string is a sequence of characters. So, if we want to modify a specific character by accessing it using its index and modify it, we can't because strings are immutable. Let's see an example. If we have string one variable equal hello and we want to change the last character O to P, capital P. The last character of string 1 will be using index -1. If I try to equal this last character by the uppercase P, hit enter, I will have an error. The error said that string object doesn't support item assignment. Okay, so we can't change it because strings are immutable. Okay. But we can make something else. Let's say that we have string 1 equal. We will update the value of string 1. We will update the value stored in the variable string 1 by string 1 from 0 to minus 2, 4, from 0 to 4, and 4 is not included. This will give me from 0, 1, 2, 3, H, E, L, L, and concatenate it by the capital B, the uppercase P. So string 1 will equal help. Okay, will be HELLP uppercase. Okay. In Python, we have something called string methods that we can use them to deal with strings. We will explore the most commonly used one. Let's say we have a string S equal hello everyone. Okay, and we want to capitalize this string. I want to make this, all of them will be all the letters in the S string to be lowercase and only the first letter to be uppercase. So we use the function capitalize. We say S dot, then the name of the method we want to use and double brackets, then enter. We get hello everyone. Here the first letter H is capitalized and all the other letters are lowercase. So capitalize function only capitalizing the first letter. Okay. What if we want all the characters? All the characters to be in lowercase will be S. We will use the function called lower. The function lower will give me from S, will convert all the letters to be lowercase. We have here the O is uppercase and E in every is uppercase. We will convert it to lowercase. So all the letters will be lowercase. What if we want all the letters to be in uppercase? S dot upper. So all the letters will be in uppercase. Okay. Another function to be used, I want to count how many E letters, small E letters, lowercase e letters in our string. So S dot count and E will be the argument or the input to this function count. The result is 3. Here is the first one, here is the second one, here is the third one. So we have 3. Notice that the uppercase E is different and not equal to the lowercase e. Both of them are different. Okay. I want to check if I have E letter on my string. So S dot find. To find me the letter I want to check if it's in my string or not. E as an input also. I got 1. 1 is the index of the first occurrence of E that I want. Let's try another letter. Let's say E capital. E in uppercase will be at index 6. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So what if we check for the substring 1 give me 12. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is the index of the first character of the substring that I want to check in if it's in our string S. Okay. Another function also, s dot index. S dot index 1. Let's check. I will tell you this function is doing the same as find, and I will tell you the difference between both find and index. Okay, so index gave me also 12. The difference between find and index is, let's say, s dot find the character x. Does I have an x in S or not? No. Here's some error. Yes, here I double quote. Okay, so I got -1. -1 means that x is not in S. Okay, let's say try it with the function index. The function index gave me an error if the substring or the string or the character I want to check if it's in my S variable. If it's not found, I got an error. Okay, telling me that the substring is not found. But using the find function returns -1. This is the difference between the function find and the function index. If the input or the substring that I'm checking if it's in my substring is found or not. If it's not found, find returns -1. If it's not found, index function returns an error, substring not found. Okay, for now we are done for this lesson. We will continue the string methods in the next lesson. So see you next lesson, and bye.